Back in the house with a 9-4.
You did good, sir.
In July 2024, Andrew Left, founder of Citron Research, was charged with fraud by the SEC and DOJ. Left allegedly used a bait-and-switch strategy, profiting $20 million by misleading followers about his trading positions. Left's case isn't isolated. It's likely the first in a series exposing market manipulation. In 2021, Left became embroiled in the ongoing GameStop controversy, which continues to reveal complex market dynamics and potential manipulation by various players. The charges against Left could be a template for future cases. If he's convicted, it may encourage whistleblowers at larger institutions to come forward. This could potentially extend to other prominent short sellers. While it's speculative, figures like Anthony Chukumba might face increased scrutiny. This case connects to bigger players like Citadel Securities. Citadel has a history of regulatory violations, including naked short selling and high-frequency trading issues. The similarities between Left's alleged actions and accusations against Citadel suggest this could be the start of a broader crackdown. Consider Bill Huang of Archegos Capital Management. Convicted in July 2024 for fraud, Huang's $36 billion firm collapse caused massive losses. He used total return swaps, which included GameStop, linking his case to the 2021 meme stock frenzy. This fits a pattern of corruption and manipulation in the markets. The cases of Left, Huang, and potentially others like Chukumba all involve GameStop, highlighting its role in exposing widespread market manipulation. The Huang case proves regulators can tackle complex cases against big players. It shows market manipulation has serious consequences for all involved. As investigations continue, we might see cases against other short sellers, hedge funds, or larger financial institutions. The financial world is watching to see what these cases reveal about our market's hidden mechanisms. Whether Left is a fall guy or truly the first domino, his case marks a significant moment. It signals regulators' willingness to act against well-known figures, potentially reshaping market dynamics and accountability.